Hi, this is Dr. Riaz Khan, Department of Zoology, Government Degree College, Narayanpet, District Mahoobnagar. It's a S12 district, now Narayanpet, State Telangana. Today's our topic is Order Chelonia. Order Chelonia. It is for the BSc BJC second semester as well as third semester zoology student purpose. Chelonia. This order belongs to class Reptilia or reptiles. Generally, reptiles has four living orders. In that, first Rhynchocephalia, second one Crocodilia, third one Squamata, fourth one Chelonia. Now we are going to discussing the order Chelonia. Now we are enter the our topic content, that is order Chelonia content. Okay, now order Chelonia includes tortoise, turtle, and terrapins. What? Tortoise are what? Turtles are what? Terrapins are what? You know about the tortoise. Tortoise means if land, if they tortoise means they lives on land. Tortoise lives on land. Like turtles lives in marine water. Terrapins lives in fresh waters. So we have a three different types of tortoise. Means one's live in land, another one is marine, another one is fresh waters. We have three types of chelonians in different places. Okay, generally we have seen the tortoise and terrapins, but turtles is we can't see because of the our state do not have any coastal area, any sea area. When you will go the beaches, any areas, sea areas, you have chances to be see these turtles Okay, next point. Next point, terrestrial means tortoise are herbivorous. When come to the sea and freshwater, turtles and terrapins are omnivores. Means general our tortoise is land tortoise is the herbivores. In come to the marine and freshwater, turtle and terrapins are the omnivores. Omnivores means they can eat everything, start with grass and with flesh. In between they eat everything Herbivores means they eat only the grass. Okay, plants, that's it. This is the their food habits. Next this important. Chelonia skull is anapsid type. Anapsida type. What? Anapsida type. What? One more thing here. In generally reptiles classifications based on the temporal opening based on temporal opening, reptiles classified into four orders four divisions like that: anapsida, parapsida, diapsida, synapsida. They have something different. In come to the anapsida means the skull do not have temporal opening. Without temporal opening, skull is called anapsida. Means chelonian skulls do not have any temporal opening, so it is called anapsida. Okay, next, body is covered by bony plate. So bony plates two types. Dorsal side bony plate is called carapace. Ventral side bony plate is called plastron. Dorsal is carapace, ventral is plastron. Next point. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, tail. Means four part. Body divided into four part: head, neck, trunk, tail. Next, in chelonia has only one nostril, one external nostril, means this opening hence it is called monorhina. Hence chelonians are called monorrhina. Generally rhinology, study of the nose, rhina, monorrhina, because it has only one external nostril, sense it is called monorrhina. Okay, next, they are edentalus, edentus, denta, dentology, edentalus, they are edentalus means teeth are absent, means chelonians do not have teeth, that's why called they are edentalus. Okay, these are the some features of the chelonians ma. Next, sternum is absent. Sternum nothing but it's a thoracic, this reason absent. Next, limbs, limbs modified into paddles, limbs modified into paddles, like that ma, flippers we say, right, for the swimming purpose, convenient purpose ma. Next ma, vertebrae are procellus. Vertebrae what, first vertebrae what, secondary procellus, verticillin ma, vertebrae made the vertebral column, vertebral column protect the spinal cord, vertebral column in our common words, when common generally use backbone, it give mechanical support to the body. Generally that vertebral column made by the which one ma, vertebrae. Okay, that's fine. Next, vertebrae are procellus. Procellus what? Procellus indicates the shape of the vertebrae ma. So chelonians have which shape of vertebrae, that shape is named procellus. Procellus what? See here diagram for your convenient purpose. One is dome shape, it is a vertebrae procellus ma. Listen, it is anterior nama, upper side is anterior, down side is posterior, P and A. So here you observe ma, anterior side of the vertebrae is concave, listen, concave. Posterior side of the vertebrae is convex. Such type of vertebrae is called procellus. Means what ma? Procellus means, procellus vertebrae means what ma? Anterior side is concave and posterior side is what ma? Convex. Such type of vertebrae is called procellus. Okay, that is the procellus definitions. Next ma, ductus botuli blood vessel is present. What? Ductus botuli blood vessel means what? It is present between the pulmonary arch and systemic arch. It is present between the pulmonary arch or systemic arch. It is called ductus botuli. Or you can say like that, pulmonary arch and systemic arch connected by the blood vessels, that is the ductus botuli. Okay. Next, respiration is carried by the cloaca. Cloaca. Generally, our respiration is carried by the lungs, but in that chelonians tortoise, the respiration is carried by the cloaca. Cloaca means what? It's not new word ma, it's old word. Cloaca, for your convenient purpose, cloaca is similar to the anus. They are same ma, cloaca, anus. Anus is present in the higher vertebrate, higher developed or higher developed vertebrates. Cloaca is found in lower vertebrates. What is the difference between the cloaca and anus? In come to the anus, anus function everyone knows, that is only for it sending the excretory material, excretory fecal material the outside. That is the anus, everyone knows. But we want cloaca. What is the cloaca? It has cloaca perform three function. Is remember ma, everyone confusing the cloaca and anus. Remember cloaca. First function is reproduction. It is also work as a it also work as a reproductory purpose, also work as a excretion purpose, also work as a parturition purpose. Means one cloaca for three work, that is the cloaca. means what ma? Reproduction, excretion, parturations. Anus, one anus for one work, that is sending the excretory material outside, that is the anus, that is the anus. Cloaca, the cloaca has a three function ma. It was found in even bird has also cloaca. Okay, bird has also cloaca, but even mammals, that cloaca modified into the anus. Anus is a advanced features which was we shown the higher animals. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between the cloaca and anus. Now next ma, cloaca pore aperture is a longitudinal shape ma, longitudinal shape. Next, copulatory organ is present, obviously. Next, all are oviparous, means oviparous means what? They lays eggs. Egg laying animals are called oviparous. Okay, these are the some general characters of chelonians. Okay, now for the now we will see their examples ma. Now examples. First example is Testado elegans. Here I would like to tell you one thing. Testado is a landform or nothing but tortoise. Tortoise, testado is a synonym, means another each is a synonyms. We can is a landform we call tortoise, landform we can also call testado. So Testado elegans, the scientific name. Common name is Indian star tortoise. See, why we call it is a Indian star tortoise? Because of the on their body they shows star-like structures. It was also found in any zoological park, as well as some it was also appeared in some places. But some people feel it was if you have the such a star tortoise, you will get more money. That all are stupid things. Even you have 10-20 such a star tortoise, you can't get anything. Means some people feel and some rumors spread. If you have a star tortoise, you will be a big, you will be get more money. That all are nonsense things ma. This is the first example, Testado elegans, Indian star tortoise. Okay, next, second example, Chelonia midas, right? Common name is green edible turtle. See that their structure, their shape, see ma. See, this is a green edible turtle. It was found in the our coastal area of the West Bengal ma. This green edible turtle weight 200 kgs, right? 200 their weight is 200 kgs ma. That is about the what ma, Chelonia midas. That's second example. Third example is Trionyx. Common name is freshwater terrapins. This is the freshwater terrapins. See ma, we'll see their structures. Like this is the what ma, this is the what ma, terrapins. Generally most of our surroundings we observe this type of terrapins ma, means freshwater terrapins. Generally we release these things our nearby houses, means where, okay, in wells. So this is the ma third example, Trionyx, that is the freshwater terrapins. Okay, next, fourth example is what ma, fourth example is Dermocalis. The common name is leather turtle. Leather turtles. See, this is the leather turtles. Okay, now we'll see in the zoom manner. This is the ma leather turtle. That this turtle weight ma 600 kg ma, 600 kg, you can imagine 600 kg. Okay, It was found in our Kerala coastline. Generally it was found in Kerala beaches. Kerala state it was found in Kerala state beaches it is a leathery turtle, right? That is the fourth example, Dermochylis. Fifth example, Testado ambigdoni. Common name is Galophagus gain tortoise. This is the fifth one Galapagos gain tortoise. So you will see on zoom. This is the Testado ambigdoni. Common name is Galapagos gain tortoise. Galapagos has a evolutionary point of important that Iceland's Galapagos finch birds, Galapagos tortoise, everything. The evolution start mainly the evolutionary points mainly observed in that Iceland, Galapagos Islands. Okay, mainly finch birds. Okay, that's secondary things. Okay, this is the Galapagos tortoise. These are the examples of Chelonia. First one is Testado elegans, second one Chelonia midas, third one Trinix, fourth one Dermochylis, fifth one Testado ambigdoni. This is our Chelonia class. Now thank you. Our class is end. This is Dr. Riaz Khan. Now we are going to close our class. Close it.